folks, I was looking for that, you know those little wooden things you adjust to get the angle and you just tighten them up. They use them for woodwork. I have one somewhere. The only thing I found was this, so I guess I gotta figure out how the hell this works. I'm guessing it goes like... See, this doesn't really help me for the single most shittiest reason is because, I mean, I don't know. Let's see. See, that's not right angle. It's got to go up a little. So it's, this is kind of the angle, but. So how do I go like this? Maybe. Is that how it works? Put this on there. See, I would prefer, I had one of those little thingamabobbers, and I know I have one somewhere that you just put it against it. It kind of duplicates the angle, but I don't know where the hell it went. And it's not over, is it over on the wall? Nope. It's the little woodworking squares. You pull them out. I know I have one. Where the hell did it go? That's the question. Well, it's not on my trophy shelf, that's for sure. I have an old one too. I'm gonna find it. It's me again. This is what I was looking for. This stupid thing. See? Take this out. Go like so. Put it down here and just kind of does it for you. And you get the angle. Just gotta get it right there. Kind of just tighten it up a little and just smoosh it over any way you want it. Because I need the angle of this thing. After I've done that, I can then figure out, see, then I can go like this. Put it any way I want. Now I know how much to slice off from the bottom. This is the damn thing I wanted. This is not what I wanted. So, yeah. Mind you, if I was like more of a genius, I'd, probably know what the hell I was doing with this, but I don't even know where I got this from. CCKL Creator. UK patent. Don't know where I bought this from. I don't even know if I bought it from somewhere. I mean, it looks useful. So, yeah. Now that I get this all straight, put this at 2 inches, this over here. I need stronger magnets for this. Stronger magnets, because it keeps moving. I like to move it. I don't like to see it move it either. Where did I put all my magnets? The one I had smaller, I had a bunch of small magnets that were very strong. Those ones are not very strong. And they keep moving. Where did they go? I guess I get bigger ones. Guess I use big ones. Let's try this one. That one works good. Wait, those are not 90-degree ones. There's a 90 on this one. There's a 90 on that one. Hopefully these work. Let's try these ones. These ones are getting kind of old. So yeah, here we go. That's a little stronger. That there and that there. I could also put a block of wood behind it. So yeah, that's like that. Head right up to it there. Head up to there and just kind of push the magnet up to it. That would be at 2 inches. See, now it's all wrong. It's all wrong. Can measure this again. This bottom piece goes like that. That goes like that. And we'll tighten this up. Here we go. That is the angle I need. So anyway, sorry for the long video. That's what I was doing, and yeah, blah, blah, blah. That's my plan. That's what I'm doing. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow me on the journey to build a kitchen bench. And then I got a few thousand other things I'm gonna do. Thanks for watching.